Namaste to all. In this very short audio, we will understand about dreams. Almighty God in the Vedas says that dreams are harmful. Dreams gives us sorrow. Dreams gives us pain. So we have to take every step in our life properly to ensure that we have a deep sleep and we do not get dreams in the sleep. During the sleep, whenever we get dreams, our soul is present in the throat, whereas whenever we have a deep sleep, our soul moves to the heart. This is what Veda says. So we have to have a peaceful, deep sleep in the night, as Almighty God gives Upadesh in the Vedas. So how to overcome dreams? Dreams are not in our hands. Like, today I'm going to be fasting. That is in my hands. I decide not to eat food from morning to evening. I can do it possibly, but today I am deciding that I will not have dreams. Can you decide? No. No one can decide. So dreams are not in our hands. So what is dreams? Dreams are basically false. Dreams are not true, but it appears to be true. And why dreams happen is because of our own previous and present life deeds. We see in dreams those things which are possibly not seen by us by our eyes in the present life, but probably we would have seen in the previous lives, and because of the impressions in our mind we get dreams. We see people who have dead. We see people who have departed from us, like our close relatives, close friends or parents or grandparents who have gone to heavenly abode. We see those people also in the dreams, which is again a sorrowful and painful thing. We should not see those people in the dreams. In fact, dreams should not happen to anyone. That is what Almighty God says. But you get dreams. Almighty God says in Atharvaveda that you get dreams as a punishment by me because of your own deeds. So the first step we have to do today to avoid dreams in the future is that we start doing the Vedic pious deeds. One of the best Vedic pious deed is the Yajna. We have to start doing Yajna, Agnihotra every day. When we start Agnihotra every day, when we start name jap of Almighty God every day, when we start doing Gayatri Mantra jap every day, by giving devotion and time to Almighty God, we will definitely be able to succeed in avoiding dreams in the sleep. For sure, this is my own experience. Atharvaveda mantra 16th kanda 5th sukta speaks about dreams. God says that dreams are the reason for early death. Dreams are sorrowful like death, God says in one mantra. In one mantra, God says dream creates early death. In another mantra, God says dreams even minimizes your wealth. Dreams are reasons for your loss in life, and dreams are also reasons for your defeat in life. This is what Almighty God says. Very, very strong words God has used, and God has told in the same sukta that you should not get dreams. That is a blessing, you should take it from me, but I will give you blessings based on your worship. So God never does injustice. God is never partial. God is impartial. So God will not give us any boon just like that. We have to worship Almighty God as per the Vedic way. Then God will definitely help us for sure. My Acharya always says the first thing whenever you get dream, like some people even see dangerous animals, reptiles, crocodiles, lion, tiger in the dreams, and they get terrified in the dreams, and in the morning next day they feel very tired. In fact, when we have a peaceful sleep, the next day is so much happy and we are able to do and focus on our work very clearly. Even like when we do household work or even business or office work, we are able to do our work very peacefully because we had a very deep sleep. But when we have dreams, we are always feeling tired and lazy. So we have to pray to Almighty God who controls it, who gives us punishment even during the sleep. God is giving us punishment. He is not allowing us to sleep peacefully. So we have to wake at this moment and then understand who is that Almighty God who is giving us punishment even in the sleep. That is the power of Almighty God. So we have to pray Almighty God, worship Almighty God, and also the first step is ahimsa. We should stop non-vegetarian diet. We should always focus to get into vegetarianism. We should leave all the addiction, alcohol, cigarette, this kind of addiction we should try to remove slowly in our life, and we should always take only sattvic food, which is vegetarian food, and we should have a proper diet for sure, as mentioned by Almighty God in the Vedas, and also do the Gayatri jap, Gayatri Homa, Om name jap. These kind of things we should do every day, and then one day for sure God will help us. And the most important point in our life, the most important aim of our life is to search an Acharya of Vedas. When we have an Acharya of Vedas and when we start obeying him, obeying his preachings, because any Acharya will never give his preaching. The Acharya will always give the preach of Vedas only. My Acharya always says that I have never ever in life given any of my suggestions to you. I have always given you the Vedic commandments only. Because the true nature of Acharya is only he speaks Vedas. He doesn't speak anything out of his own, because he does not have anything out of his own. Whatever he has is Almighty God's knowledge only. So when we search an Acharya, which is our purpose in life, when we search an Acharya, when we search and follow his preachings in our life, which is the Vedic preachings, for sure we will be able to have a peaceful sleep in the night. And this is the guarantee given by Almighty God in the Vedas, not my guarantee. And seeing the departed people in the dreams, that is for sure, my Acharya mentions in the website vedmandir.com also that this is because of your attachment towards those departed souls, because we are closely attached to our friends or relatives who recently died, so we are seeing them in the dreams. So this attachment has to be first finished off. And attachment can be finished off only by adopting the Vedic principles in life. Tena tyaktena bhunjita magradaha kasya svidanam, says Yajurveda. So live a life without attachment is just a statement. Saying the statement is easy, but adopting in the life is next to impossible, because we do not have an Acharya to guide us in the path. So leaving the attachment towards the dead people is a great thing. And for how to do that, we should go to an Acharya to learn and understand and adopt in our life. If you have not seen my previous videos, request you to go through my channel. I have put almost 100 videos of my Acharya. Every video of my Acharya is a gem, and you will get so much of knowledge if you know Hindi. If you do not know Hindi, if you know only Tamil or English, request you to see my other videos. I have tried to extract some knowledge of my Acharya and try to give in Tamil language as well, or English. So which may help you probably, but these are not Vedas. What my Acharya speaks is Vedas. What I speak is just a Samhita. It's a mind knowledge from the mind and knowledge from the book, not realized knowledge basically. So my Acharya says, seeing the departed people, you should end the attachment towards them and go towards the detachment path. And once we are able to destroy the attachment, then we will never see those departed souls in the dreams, because seeing departed souls in the dream is not a right thing. Almighty God also warns in the Vedas that whenever you see a departed person in the dream, it is not right. It is not a right sign, and it will give you more sorrows in the life. That's what Almighty God says. So having a peaceful sleep is a great boon in our life. The only way to achieve it is to follow the Vedic path. There is no other path by which we can achieve this one. Every other path is a human path. Whatever we can do, we will not be able to achieve deep sleep in the night. That is possible by doing everyday worship of Almighty God, by yajna, by agnihotra, by name jap, by gayatri jap, etc., etc. And of course, most importantly, to serve Acharya and to understand his principles and follow in the life the Vedic principles. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.